Hello, welcome to this channel, Supermatics Online Math. In today's math video, we have this problem. Ashley and Miranda got X and Y bars of chocolate, respectively, when they shared a pack of Mars chocolate having 24 bars. How many bars of chocolate does each get if their sharing formula is modeled by the equation x plus 2y over 5 equals to x minus 2y? Ever wonder how this could be solved? We actually want to share 24 bars of chocolate into X and Y without having the ratio with which we're going to share it. Instead of a ratio, we actually have an equation. How will this be done? Follow us, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you watch the video to the end. Click on the notification bell so that you get updates from time to time as we make our math tutorial. The first thing we try to do is see if the equation, the sharing formula, can actually be expressed in such a way that we can get a ratio from it. So here we have x plus 2y over 5, and that is x minus 2y. We'll try to multiply through by 5. And when we do 5, we multiply the left-hand side, and it's going to cut out the 5 in the denominator, leaving us with only the numerator, while on the right, 5 will also be distributed over x minus 2y placed in parentheses. This means that we've got x plus 2y on the left, and on the right, distributing 5, we've got 5x minus 10y. In order to have a ratio, we can place the x variable on the left while the y is placed on the right. And this can be achieved by subtracting 5x from both sides, and at the same time subtracting 2y from both sides. Doing this means that we're going to have negative 4x on the left, while on the right it is going to be negative 12y. Then, to have x over y, which is also the same thing as x ratio y, as ratios can be expressed as fractions, we will need to divide both sides by negative 4y. Doing this means we have x over y on the left, and on the right it is 3, or I'm going to write it as 3 over 1 so that it looks more like a ratio. And we can therefore say that the sharing ratio is x ratio y, and that is 3 ratio 1. Now that we have the ratio, we want to share the 24 bars of chocolate between Ashley and Miranda. And we are going to have the 24 bars shared into 4 parts. That's the sum of the ratio, 3 plus 1, which is 4. And that means that each part will actually be made up of 24 divided by 4, and that's 6 bars of chocolate in each part. And if each part actually has 6 bars, then Ashley will actually add x. His share is going to be 3 times 6, so he's going to get 18 bars out of the 24 of chocolate. While Miranda, who has just a part, she's going to get just 1 times 6, and she's having 6 bars of chocolate. That way, we have successfully shared the 24 bars of chocolate between the two of them in the ratio given according to the formula, the sharing formula. I believe you enjoyed today's tutorial. Leave a comment in the comment section. You can also leave your question and what you would like to see next in my tutorial. There is also an email address for this channel attached to the description box. Feel free to make use of it as well. In the meantime, like this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification button, and you'll always be alerted about my activities on this channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a lovely day. Bye.